Hello everybody. Happy what's today? Saturday. So y'all know I'm doing this skincare series, and so this is the second to last part of my face. It's this stuff that I do once to twice a week. Saturdays is a self-care Saturday day for me because towards the end of the week, Thursday, Friday, Saturday is long nights and long days that I go shopping, for my market on Saturdays. Fridays is a prep. I'm up late and probably still going shopping for something that I forgot. And then Saturday is up early and out the door, to my market until probably about 2, 3 o'clock. So by then I'm tired, my body is tired, and I dedicated Saturdays for self-care Saturday. And so as you can see, this mask on my face, um, today is self-care Saturday. So this mask I may use like sometimes twice a week, but I do use this on Saturday. So I have two masks here again. To know about these masks, I do have several videos talking about the Ayuna skincare line that I bought. And you can just go, I think it's like 2, 3 videos of different products that I bought at different times. So I used to use both of these, like I do this one first and then put this one on, which I might do today because they both do two different things. This is a detox mask, and this one is just like a essence type of mask, putting the moisture back into your face and other little things. Again, go look at the videos of the Ayuna skincare line. So I'm probably gonna rinse this off and then put this on and kind of mess around before I get in the shower. But yeah, I just washed my face with I didn't double cleanse today. There was no need for me to. I didn't actually go do my market today. I just haven't been feeling well and just wasn't feeling it the past couple of days. Allergies. I have very bad nasal allergies, and once they flare up, it's over. So I just decided to just relax, start fresh. Monday, getting back into my working out. That's also a form of self-care as well. It's just taking care of your body. And I'm sitting up here looking like a monster. This stuff is getting tight. But anyway, working out is part of your self-care. And again, we're going to get to that as part of the series. But yeah, just needed to, relax, kind of regroup. My two, my oldest and my middle son will be heading back to school and work from their spring break. But my youngest is on spring break now, which is no problem, But anywho, I washed my face with my Ayuna moisturizing detox bar. This is their bar that's mixed with both the detox bar and the moisturizing bar, and you also can buy them separately. This is like a best of both worlds. So I went with this, and I do like it because I don't have to double cleanse if I don't want to. So yeah, this is the detox. I really do like this. At first, when I first got it, I was just like, do this stuff even work? And pulling stuff out your face and stuff like that. But one day I was just looking over my face I bought this 10 times mirror from Costco's, and it's really good. And I saw after I had did this detox that I had a blackhead over here that looked like it was pushing out. And so I had to just squeeze the rest of it out. So I said, maybe it is doing something. But it does make your skin feel detox, and you go back in, put the moisture back in, and blah, 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 blah. You don't need to use a lot of this at once. I'm just heavy-handed. But this is, what it looks like. Again, go watch to get the full background on what the story of these products. I do have a video out, so you can go back and watch that and then come back. So that's one. And then this is the essence. I really did not care for this. I do think this also has some exfoliating to it, because it's like little, feels like, yeah, it feels like, I don't know, maybe it looks like little sand beads or whatever that's in it. But this is a weird type of mask. Most people like this probably over this from the reviews and stuff I read. But this is one where you put it on, you let it dry up, you put it on for about maybe 10-15 minutes. Once it dries up, you rub to peel, and it peels off. To me, it just makes so much of a mess. I try to rub off as much as I can, and then I just go in and start rinsing it off. And it's supposed to leave like the oils and butters, whatever is in here on your face. I don't know if that works for me. It may do. I still feel the need to put more of my moisturizer on, but I just want to get the benefits from it sitting on my face and my skin soaking it in, and I just wipe it off because I already use a moisturizer anyways. So that's not what I really care about, is using the moisture from that or whatever. So the next one that I use once a week from Ayuna, and I didn't come back to do, I don't think I did come back, I can't remember if I came back to do a video, was her exfoliation loofah soap bar. And I'm looking here to see what this is called. This is called the Spirulite. And basically what this is, it is a scrub. Again, I have a video on this, so just go look at my Ayuna videos. But it's basically a an exfoliation bar. You get 5 of these in the box, and I think it's like $80. I've used 2 of them already, and this is what they look like once they are used. I probably, out of these, each one of these got about 5 uses out of them, because I exfoliate my whole body with these. And so I've used this, I think, twice already. And as you can see, it exfoliates really good, and it suds up really good as well. So because these are so expensive, I only use these once a week, and that's on my self-care Saturday. Again, to get the gist of all of these products that I use for my self-care Saturdays, or anytime I feel like, you know, I just want like a spa moment or whatever. These is, you know, what I have so far. I have other stuff, but I kind of want to do the body series second. And actually, it's not really, but because I use my body stuff like every time I shower. But yeah, these are like my once to twice a week spa like self-care body treatments that I use for my face and then for my body. So go check out those other videos on Ayuna. I really do like her stuff, even though she is expensive. It's something that you can use, you know, on your, you know, just to do your own spa treatments at home that are really good products. They're clean beauty, which means, excuse me, they're made with great ingredients, not a bunch of chemicals and harsh preservatives and things of that nature. So that's what I like about clean and green beauty. And now I'm gonna go wash this stuff off of my face so I can put the next mask on, mess around a little bit, and then get in the shower. So hope you enjoy these videos. Please give me a thumbs up. And I'm sorry, I probably didn't introduce myself for the ones that are new to my channel. My name is LashawnTerry. Welcome. I do have playlists, so go look through my playlist to see if there's a certain topic, subject, product, whatever that you like. And subscribe and click that notification bell. I am uploading more often. And give me that thumbs up on the way in, please. That do help for my videos to get into the algorithm. I do have low views, and it may just not get into the algorithm because I'm just a small fry or whatever. So it would greatly help me to get my channel back up for more people to see. So with that being said, y'all have a good weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. P.S. I figured since I was doing my mask, and I don't think I ever showed doing this other mask that I'm about to put on, that I would show y'all what this other mask looked like from Ayuna. I like these cloths. They are very strong, and you can use these as washcloths. If you used my first looked at my first skincare series video that's up now, by the time this is up, it probably been up about 3 days or so, 4 days, I don't know. But I bought these from a Asian store where I am. But these can be used as washcloths. You could use them to dry your face off, wash your face off, even your body. You know, if you're somewhere, maybe traveling or whatever, just put your soap on them. Or you can even use these with your face soap, you know, and, you know, wet them and wash your face using them as well. So they're really nice. I am going to go get me some more. So now that I wipe the rest of the charcoal off of my face, I'm going to go in with the essence. This is what it looks like. And basically you just put it on and you let it dry so you can peel it off. But I'm going to, you ain't gonna see me peel this off because I'm going to get in the shower with this on my face. And then I'm gonna just do what I do in the shower because this is messy. It's have just stuff all over the sink and all over the place. So I just do it in the shower. I let it go ahead and dry while I get myself together to get in the shower. And once I finish washing and doing what I'm doing, then I will peel it off in the shower and rinse the rest off that don't come off, or use my little wipes right here to peel the rest off, get the rest of it off, like a damp, you know, being that it's damp, I just use the same little towel. So yeah, this is what this looks like once you put it on. It's called the essence. So I just wanted to come show y'all that while I was doing it. Bye.